Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the EQ Bank app. I've been using EQ Bank for a while now, and I've found it to be a great way to save money and earn interest. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of using a bank that offers high interest rates. With inflation on the rise, it's more important than ever to make sure your money is working for you. EQ Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts in Canada, so you can be sure that your money is growing. Now, let's get started. How to download and install the EQ Bank app. The first thing you need to do is download the EQ Bank app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've downloaded the app, open it up and create a new account. How to create a new account. To create a new account, you'll need to provide your name, email address, and date of birth. You'll also need to create a password. Once you've created your account, you'll be able to log into the app and start using it. How to use the EQ Bank app. The EQ Bank app is very easy to use. The main screen is divided into two sections, your accounts and your transactions. Your accounts section shows you all of your different accounts, including your savings accounts, checking accounts, and GICs. You can also see your account balance and interest earned. Your transactions section shows you all of your recent transactions. You can also search for transactions by date, amount, or type. How to transfer money between accounts. You can easily transfer money between your accounts using the EQ Bank app. Simply select the account you want to transfer money from and then select the account you want to transfer money to. How to withdraw money. You can withdraw money from your EQ Bank account in a number of ways. You can withdraw money at an ATM, transfer money to another bank account, or request a check. How to deposit money. You can deposit money into your EQ Bank account in a number of ways. You can deposit money at an ATM, transfer money from another bank account, or use Interac e-transfer. How to set up alerts. You can set up alerts to be notified when your account balance reaches a certain level or when you make a transaction that exceeds a certain amount. How to use the EQ Bank app to save money. There are a number of ways to use the EQ Bank app to save money. One way is to set up a goal. You can set a goal for a specific amount of money or for a specific date. Once you've set a goal, the app will track your progress and help you stay on track. Another way to save money with the EQ Bank app is to use the app's budgeting tools. The app can help you track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. How to earn interest with the EQ Bank app. EQ Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts in Canada. You can earn interest on your savings account by simply keeping your money in the account. How to get help. If you have any questions about how to use the EQ Bank app, you can contact EQ Bank customer support. I hope this video has helped you learn how to use the EQ Bank app. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.